Hello, everyone. This is Amanda coming to you this Saturday evening with a quick video. And for those that don't know, I'm a work from home mom of two that have been working from home since 2016 online, earning a full-time income. And not only that, I do direct mail marketing. So for those that don't know what direct mail marketing is basically an opportunity where you have a chance to work from home and you send people information about how to work from home, and you get leads, high quality leads of people that are interested in work from home opportunities. You get not only that, the reseller license as well. And when you have a reseller license, you're able to resell the license for profit. And when people join you, you get money in the mail. And with this particular program, you also get stamps. So I received my packet in the mail. I'm going to just go over this packet. It's for Impact Mailing Club. And the reason why I joined this program is because they have really good customer service. Not only that, it's a great opportunity and it's easy to duplicate. So people who are looking for something that's easy to do, easy to duplicate to start earning a full-time income, this is where you want to be. I just opened up live on my Facebook page some of the payments that I received while I was on vacation, and this is what I had that came in the mail. Not only that, I also had a ton of stamps that came in with these payments. So we're going to go over that and also go over the packet that you receive when you decide to join Impact Mailing Club. Okay, so it came in the mail, and what I love about it, it came literally right away. Like when I joined, I had my packet within a week. Okay, I had my PDF within 48 hours, and that just shows a lot about the company. They were extremely active in making sure that I had everything that I needed in order for me to start promoting the opportunity. So here they give you a quick social media tip. You will get this with your packet when you join, and what it's basically saying, basically is saying to reveal what you receive. So they want people to let others know what they received in the mail when they receive their packet. And then on the back of it, it says, how does this work? So it's showing you also how the program works. So it says, this is your super duper dummy proof cheat sheet for stuffing envelopes and making money. And it says step 1, purchase your envelopes, your paper. It tells you what to do when you get your packet. Step 2, you make your copies of your cover letter and your form for people to sign up with you. Step 3 is purchase stamps. It tells you where to go to get your stamps. Not only that, when if you come in on my team, I have a place where I go to get them super duper cheap, because stamps is like one of the main things that could be expensive when you start this process. And then step 4, now it's time for you to stuff your envelopes. Remember to insert your order form along with the company letter inside the envelope. Don't forget the stamp goes on the right side of the envelope. So it's basically telling you how easy it is to get started. Keep in mind, consistency is everything when it comes to starting your direct mail marketing campaign. Okay? So, and they encourage you to mail bi-weekly, which is what I also encourage people to do when they start. So let's go through the packet. So in the packet, you open it up, and this is so professional. The paper is like high quality paper. It's like, it has like a shine to it, which I love. I love this type of paper. But here is a copy of your cover letter that you will receive. For my team, I do make you a personalized cover letter that will give people information about you so that you're branding yourself, and that's really important. So when you come on my team, you can use either their cover letter, which is front and back, or you can use the cover letter that I'll make for you that you can also send out. So it just basically says, how does direct mail marketing business work? It has information about the company on here, and on the back, it has the different levels to get started, okay? So that's what you're gonna get with the cover letter, so people know how much it costs and how much they'll get paid when they join the opportunity. And then it also tells you the benefits of joining an Impact Mailing Club. And they have the benefits up here on the top. So it's a really nice, clean, sheet. It looks really good. It's a slick, nice looking cover letter, okay? And guys, when you are printing out your stuff. You don't have to put it on this high quality paper. Regular paper is good enough, okay? So you're going to get that. And then you're going to also receive the most important part, which is your leads, your leads. So I'm not going to show the names of these people, but these are high quality leads. Everybody's talking about these leads and how these leads are, you're not getting a lot of returns. You're getting a lot of phone calls and signups when you send out your leads. So they come on peel and stick labels. I'm going to just show you guys really quick what it looks like, but you know, it's just a peel and stick label that comes off like this. You put this on the front of the envelope. So here I got probably about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is probably about 15 sheets of leads. Okay, so I'm going to be putting these in the mail this coming week. Okay, and then we have here a lead replenishment guarantee. Okay, so it's basically saying here, have you ever mailed something out only to have it returned with a big yellow sticker? You have what the United States Post Office like to call a nixie. Undeliverable mailings may occur, and we know how extremely frustrating this can be. So to combat this, we look for resources, and they have the name of the resources, which is or an expert data quality service, and it does other processes to get ahead of bad addresses. Okay, so that means that they're taking on what they need to do in order to make sure that you don't get a lot of return mail and that the people get your information. Long story short, we go through a very lengthy, intensive, and expensive screening and maintenance process to assure that we provide the highest quality of mailing leads, and we are dedicated to your success with Impact Mailing Club. So we wanted to add a step further by offering a lead replenishment guarantee. If you get any nixies, we'll send you fresh replacement mailing leads. Okay, so all you do is gather your return envelopes in a batch and take a photo, send it to them through email along with the photo, and they will go ahead and send you new leads. Okay, so that's what you're going to get in the mail. And then for all members, you have a lead purchase order form. If you want to purchase additional leads, you're able to do so. 200 leads being $40, 500 leads, 100, and 1,000 leads, $150. Okay, and then they show you the ways that you can make a payment to them for those leads. So that also came in the mail. Here, it's basically telling you a little bit about Impact Mailing Club. With this letter, what you'll find. So it gives you the information on what you'll find when you receive your packet. You'll get that in the mail, and basically telling you a little bit about, you know, the reseller license agreement, which is what I have here. Everybody that joins will get a reseller license, which means once you make your one-time payment at whatever level you come in at, you receive the reseller license to make unlimited payouts at that level. So no matter how many people join with you, you can get those payments over and over again just by paying one time and coming into the Impact Mailing Club. Okay. Success is your duty, obligation, and responsibility. So go and put in the work. Impact Mailing Club. So they gave you a little inspiration here. I love it. This is just like really professional. So ready to start mailing. This is from you to the consumer. They're showing you how it works and basically what you need to do in order to be successful. So it has like a little sheet, a little training of what you need to be doing in order to have much success with this program. And then last but not least, you get the different levels, okay? And it lets you know that they're one-time payments and what you will receive at those levels, okay? So that's also in this packet. So there you go, guys. I went through the packet, and that's what you're going to get when you join Impact Mailing Club. Again, great customer service, great quality leads. You don't have to worry about having a whole bunch of return mail. And if you get a few pieces returned, they will replace them, okay? So I want to say thank you for watching my video. Please stay inspired. If you are looking to work from home, you're looking for a work from home business opportunity, the link will be in the description. Not only that, please subscribe to my channel so you can follow my online and offline journey. And hopefully one day you'll get signed up. If you're not only that, I'm here to inspire other people to start a home-based business, to work from home, and start earning unlimited commissions from home. So thanks again, guys, and have a great night.